Yeah, what's going on? So we got one of them ones today, man. One of them ones. We got a video by PoliceActivity, and the title of it is Bodycam shows police use taser on Casselberry grape suspect. So I just want to read a little bit of what the backstory is a little bit, because the actual body cam footage itself is only like a minute long. So it's going to be very, very short. So armed with a knife, police said Benjamin entered an apartment and confronted two women. He told them to lie face down on the ground. And when they tried to run away, he forced them into a bedroom. He raped one woman, then forced both into a car that one of them owned, according to police report. So that's pretty much what happened. Benjamin then made them drive to a grocery store to get money out the ATM. One woman went inside the store and asked an employee to call 911. While she was in the store, Benjamin drove away with the victim's car, according to police report. So the police department recovered the vehicle Tuesday, and Benjamin's been wanted. So they end up catching up to him about 11:30 in the morning, and they caught him lacking at a different gas station or whatever. So yeah, let's get into the video, man.
Arms behind your back. Now, hands on your back. 10-4, be back on 1, semi-94. 743 Tassel, semi-94. 36, you're right over there. Come over here now.
Yeah, he know he cooked.
I'm in front of the gas quick right now. I got a white male on the ground. Handcuff him right now. Get down!
71, you want to fly over here and take my counter to over there?
Get down! Arms behind your back now!
We got off time over there. Come this way through the road, I'll stop traffic.
43 Tassel, white male 1015,
Hold your hands
taser
still.
deployed.
Taser deployed, 1015, 1124.
Good.
Some guys just don't learn. Where you was running to?
711.
Huh? That's fine. Thank you.
Where he thought he was going? Where did he think he was going? You know, the beginning of it ain't really got no audio, but he caught him lacking. Tell him, hey, put your hands up, man. What you think you doing, man? Put your hands up, man. Where you think you going, bruh?
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join. Check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis. You're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you could definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Huh? Before I smoke you out here, you hear me? Yeah, before I smoke you. All right, man. Yeah, get down. Yeah, nice and slow, nice and slow.
Arms behind your back. Now, hands on your back. 10-4, be back on 1, semi-94. 743 Tassel, semi-94.
Guys really think they're gonna
36,
run
you're right
away?
over there.
Like,
Come over
I
here
don't
now.
get it. They really think he gonna get away?
I'm in front of the gas
He
quick
thought
right
he
now. I
was
got a
gonna
white
get
male on
away.
the ground.
He really thought he was gonna
Handcuff
get
him
away.
right now.
Look at this. Get right.
Get down!
Okay, let me reload. Hold on. Bow! Act right, boy.
Get down! Arms behind your back now!
We got off time over there. Come this way through the road, I'll stop traffic.
43 Tassel, white male 1015,
Hold your hands
taser
still.
deployed.
Taser deployed, 1015,
Act right.
1124.
Good.
Act right. You better tighten up, boy. Where you thought he was going? I don't understand why suspects always take off running. I never understood that, really. Because it's like, what are the chances of you actually getting away? What are the chances of that? Probably slim to none.
11's en route.
All right.
7-Eleven.
Huh? That's fine.
Route 43.
Thank you. All right, let's roll him up. Hold on. You know who you look like? What's your name? What is your name? Huh? Dan? What's your...
Now you want a lot of the police talking about some Dan. I told you the body cam footage was actually very short, man. So, yeah. I don't get why guys want to run. What do you get? Maybe. What do you get? Maybe 25 yards? Maybe. Get out of here, man. Now you just got tased, man. Get up out of here, man. Spend some time in the county, you hear me? You gonna go up top, man, for that home invasion and all that? You going up the road, man. You going up the road. We'll see you in a couple of years.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.